Hello guys, today we will learn how to use Creality Slicer. So I will open my Creality Slicer software. Now this Creality Slicer software is opened. So what I have to do from here, I have to select whatever the printer I am using, whatever the 3D printer I am using. I will bring my 3D design model from here. This is the file icon is there. So I will bring my 3D design model from here. This is a 3D design model which we have downloaded from Tinkercad in .stl format. These are the views. This is home view, this is front view, this is top view, this is left view, this is right view. I want to see it from top, and this is my bed. And you don't have to print your model on this black line. Okay, now you have to bring this model at the corner of the printer, and then you have to slice it. Then I have to save to file. Now it got downloaded in .g-code format. You can see it in .g-code format. It got downloaded. Now you have to uh, copy this file from your desktop to your memory card, means to your USB, and then you have to take out memory card from your card reader, USB card reader. Then you have to uh, use it in your 3D printer and print it. Thank you so much.